Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Starlink subscription step by step. First, open your browser and go to starlink.com. Tap the three lines at the top right corner and sign in to your Starlink account. Once signed in, click on My Account. Scroll down until you see your Starlink service section, then click Manage. On the next page, select Cancel Service. Carefully read the information shown, then choose your reason for canceling. You can select a preset reason or type in your own. Finally, click Confirm to complete the cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, and you won't be charged after that. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Starlink subscription. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.